In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import notes into Zoho CRM. This process is essential for those who rely on Zoho CRM to manage customer relationships effectively and want to keep all interactions in one place. So let's dive right in. To get started, first navigate to the home page of your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, look for the Home link on the dashboard. The home page is your control center where you can access various modules and features within Zoho CRM. After you're on the home page, locate and click on the Contacts section. This area is crucial because you'll be importing notes that are associated with your contacts. Think of contacts as the centerpiece of your CRM. Without them, the other components wouldn't function as intended. Once you're in the Contacts section, you'll find an option labeled More Actions. It's typically represented by an icon, perhaps a gear or ellipsis, located in the toolbar. Click on More Actions to reveal additional functionalities you can perform with your contacts. Now that you have the extra options visible, look for the Import Notes option. This feature allows you to add additional information and insights related to your contacts. It's a powerful tool that provides more depth to your contact interactions, which can be invaluable in understanding and managing relationships better. Next, it's time to select the file containing the notes you want to import. Click on Browse to open a dialog box where you can locate your file. Make sure the file is in a compatible format and contains all the necessary notes you wish to import into Zoho CRM. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct file, as this step is vital for a successful import. Once you've selected your file, proceed by clicking on Next. This action usually takes you to a preview or validation screen where you might examine and verify the data you are about to import. This step is crucial as it allows you to correct any errors or inconsistencies before committing the changes. After confirming the details, click on Next once again. Zoho CRM may prompt you to map fields during this step. Field mapping ensures that each piece of information from your notes file is accurately aligned with the correct fields within Zoho CRM. This diligence in mapping makes sure your data integrates seamlessly. One more thing to consider before finishing the import is the Trigger Workflow Rules option. This function automatically applies any predefined workflow automation to your imported notes. It can be especially useful if your organization leverages complex workflows to maximize efficiency. Finally, after reviewing everything, click on Finish to complete the process. At this point, your notes should now be imported and accessible within Zoho CRM, linked appropriately to your contacts, providing a complete view of your interactions. And that's it. You've successfully imported notes into Zoho CRM, enhancing the way you manage customer information and interactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has helped simplify your Zoho CRM experience.